24th of July and we're planting out some really manky brassica plants. To be honest, they've been held back for weeks now. First of all, we were hoping for rain because the soil is absolutely bone dry. So first of all, we thought we'd be lucky we'd get some rain eventually and we could get them planted out. Then came the threat of the hot weather and we couldn't see the point of trying to plant these out when the temperature was going to be, well, as it turned out, 40 degrees C, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Anyway, it's sort of drizzling. This is what we get, this is what classes as rain at the minute. It's been drizzling for the last hour while we've been here putting these plants in. But if I show you the ground where we haven't done anything, even though we're getting wet, it doesn't do anything at all to the ground, which is desperately in need of water. How are we planting these? Well, first of all, we've actually had to water where we're going to make the hole to be able to make a hole. We're filling the hole with water and then we're watering the plants in. Hopefully that will give them a start, but they've certainly been held back in these modules for far too long, so we'll just have to see. If we get anything out of them, it'll be a bonus. Bearing in mind this has been watered first, just where we're planning on making the hole. We're sort of following our usual process thereafter with some lime and 6X, and we've spread some grove more initially over the whole bed.
While that goes down, I'm going to dig another couple of
Right, so I'll come back when we start planting those. So the holes get a bit of 6X. Some lime that's getting wet. Good at absorbing moisture, isn't it, lime?
It's for club root, isn't it?
Yeah. Does seem to work, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
He said. I shouldn't have said that, should I?
Mm-hmm.
And then we try and get them planted as deeply as we can because they've got a little bit leggy in.
And they need to be quite firm.
They do, because brassicas want to be firmed in well, don't they?
They've got firm ground to start
Yeah.
with. My gloves.
Lovely.
That's because sometimes when I'm pushing it down, it goes into the water.
So while Sue gets some more planted, I'll start down at the far end and do some watering. So it decided to rain properly. After waiting months for some decent rain, it's come when we wanted to plant these brassicas out. Anyway, it's done. We're wet through. And they're getting watered in, if nothing else, but we've given them gallons of water. So hopefully they'll be okay. I'm just going to have to cover them up now before we head home. Well, we've got the dahlias in. We're wet through. Home for a shower, I think. Sue's gone to decide whether she's going to go pick some dahlias. But we are pretty wet. It's good to get some rain, and if this is proper rain and it's going to carry on for about 2 days, it'll be just great. That's today's harvest. Sue's wet. We're off home now. Coffee time, I think. Don't think we're going to have it down here though. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.